Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss prepositional equivalences. So let me define first tautology. A compound preposition that is always true, no matter the truth values of the prepositional variables that occur in it. It is called tautology. A statement formula which is always true is called a tautology. And contradiction. A compound preposition that is always false is called a contradiction. So next one is contingency. A compound preposition that is neither tautology nor a contradiction is called contingency. So how do you check whether the given statement formula is a tautology or contradiction or contingency? So by taking one example, I'll explain what is tautology and what is contradiction and what is contingency. Here in the first example, check whether P or negation P is tautology or not. Okay, I'm going to check whether this statement formula is tautology or not. So by constructing truth table of this statement formula, you can easily identify whether the given statement formula is tautology or not. See, I have calculated a statement truth table for a given statement formula. P I negation P and P or negation P. P true. The truth value of this preposition is true. Negation of P is false. P or negation P will become true. Okay, and truth value of this preposition is false and negation P will become true. Then the P or negation P will become true. If you look at the last column of this table, if you have all the truth values of, if you have all truth values are true, then the statement formula is said to be tautology. Here we have an example for contradiction. See, here I am going to check whether P I negation P is contradiction or tautology. Look at first construct a truth table. If you observe the last column of this truth table, in the last column you have all the truth values of this preposition are false. Therefore, it is not a tautology, it is contradiction. If you observe this table, I have prepared a truth table for this statement formula, that is negation P or Q. So, in this truth table, observe the last column. Okay, here you have some true values or some false values. Okay, therefore, if it is neither tautology nor contradiction, then such a formula is known as a contingency. If you look at in this table, last column you have all false. Truth values of the statement formulas are always false. Therefore, this is a contradiction. And in this column, in this truth table, last column of this truth table are having all true values. Therefore, it is a tautology. This is a tautology and this is contradiction and this is contingency. The statement formula is neither tautology nor contradiction. Therefore, it is a contingency. So, in this way, by constructing truth table of a given statement formula, you can easily identify whether it is a tautology, contradiction or contingency. Okay, now we'll discuss logical equivalences. Next topic is logical equivalences. The compound preposition P and Q are called logically equivalent if P biconditional Q is a tautology. If P, you have two compound prepositions P and Q, these two are said to be logically equivalent if P biconditional Q is a tautology. Show that negation of P or Q, I negation P and negation Q are logically equivalent. I am going to check whether these two are logically equivalent or not. How do you check? The this, if you consider this is one compound preposition and this is another compound preposition, this is P and this is Q. P biconditional, Q is a tautology. We can say that these two are logically equivalent. Here I am going to solve these two are logically equivalent or not. Okay. Now I have taken proposition P, true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. We discussed in the last session connectives. Okay, we have conjunction, disjunction, biconditional and conditional. Okay, so in this PRQ, the truth value of PRQ is true. Either P is true or Q is true. Okay, you get true and you get true, you get truth value true here and it becomes false. Okay, negation of PRQ. If PRQ value is true, the negation of this PRQ will becomes false. This is true and the negation of it becomes false. Next, true, false, false, true. Okay, coming to the negation P. Negation P, these are P values, truth values of P are T, T, F, F. Now negation P is false, false, true and true. Negation Q, false, true, true, false. Sorry, it is false and false negation is true. Now negation P and negation Q, these are negation P values and negation Q. And when negation P and negation Q becomes true, when both negation P and negation Q are having truth value true. In other cases, false. So it is false, 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 and this is true. Okay. Now, to know that, to check whether these two compound prepositions are logically equivalent, we need to find out biconditional of this compound preposition. P biconditional Q is a tautology, then these two are logically equivalent. So we have to consider these values. Consider this is P and this is Q. So P biconditional Q. So what is the biconditional value of these two? In biconditional, when both P and Q are either true or false, then the truth value of P biconditional Q is true. So the truth value of this is true, the truth value of this is true, the truth value of this is true, and both are true, therefore the truth value of this is true. Look at these values. Okay, you're having all truth values are true, 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 true. Therefore this statement formula P negation P R Q biconditional negation P and negation Q is a tautology. So when P biconditional Q is a tautology, P and Q are logically equivalent. Therefore we can write negation of P R Q biconditional negation P and negation Q are, this is a tautology. Therefore negation of P R Q and negation P and negation Q are logically equivalent. Okay. these are logically equivalent. So in this way you can check given any two statement formulas are logically equivalent or not. So first construct a truth table for this preposition compound preposition. Again you construct a truth table for this preposition compound preposition. Then biconditional P biconditional Q you have to find out if it is a tautology, therefore these two are logically equivalent. Next, we have one more example. Show that P and Q conditional PRQ is a tautology. Okay, P conditional Q, P and Q conditional PRQ is a tautology. Okay, by constructing truth table of this statement formula, we can check easily whether this is a tautology or not. P, true, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. P and Q in this connective, in this AND connective, when P and Q are having truth values are true, then only P and Q is true. And here it is false, false, false. In PRQ, only in these two cases, when P is Q and Q, when P is false and Q is false, then only PRQ is false. In all other cases it is true. Okay, now P and Q, this is P and Q and this is PRQ. So P and Q conditional PRQ in this conditional connective. Okay, when P and Q is true, when PRQ is true, conditional P and Q conditional PRQ is true. Okay, when do you get truth value false? When P is Q in conditional, P is Q and Q is false, then only PRQ will become false. Okay, in all other cases P conditional Q is true. Okay, P true T, true, false T, true, false T, true, false, false, true. Okay, we only in this case when P is true and Q is false, then only P conditional Q is false. Okay, in all other cases we have truth value true. Therefore we got these truth values. Now look at the last column of this truth table. Each and every, this statement formula is always true. We are having each and every truth value of this statement formula is true. Therefore it is a tautology. Okay, therefore it is a tautology. Now same problem. So this we checked the statement formula is tautology or not by constructing a truth table. By constructing truth table, we have checked the statement formula is a tautology or not. Without constructing truth table also, we can check whether the statement formula is tautology or not. So I'll explain how to check the given statement formula is tautology. See here, P conditional Q, P and Q conditional PRQ, PRQ. This is equivalence to, see, P conditional Q can be written as negation P or negation Q. This is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So this can be written as negation P, P and Q, or Q. P R Q. So this implies negation P and Q can be written as using De Morgan's law. Using De Morgan's law, negation P and Q can be written as negation P or negation Q. So this can be written as negation P or negation Q or P or Q. Implies this can be written as using commutative and associative negation P or P or negation Q or Q. So we know that negation P or P is equivalent to true. So this is true, and or negation Q or Q is also equivalent to truth value true. So true or true is always true. Therefore the statement formula is always true. Therefore the given statement formula is tautology. So here I have explained two methods to know whether the statement formula is tautology or not. One way is by constructing truth table. By observing the last column of the truth table, you can identify whether the given statement formula is tautology or not, or by using logically equivalence formulae, you can find out whether the statement formula is tautology or not. Okay, this is about today's session.